Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to wish that all the countries of the world will find a cure and that we have brighter days than heading ahead of us. Saying that, today I am making a very simple recipe for hair. It's called natural food for hair. And you will need olive oil, clove, argan oil. If you don't have argan oil, you can use coconut oil or any natural oil you have, and garlic. You're gonna mix all these simple ingredients. This is, if you don't have this container, you can use a bowl and let it sit. The best thing is let it sit for 24 hours and then just use the mix in your hair and then wait 30 minutes before you take your shower. Enjoy, and please like and share. Thank you.